Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am B. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to construct a plumber block, bolt and two different types of nuts in CATIA V5 software. Okay, let us start. CATIA V5 software file. Let us open new CATIA file. From the list of types, you can choose part, then click OK. Now the new part drawing is activated. In the left side, it's showing different types of plane. Among these planes, now I'm choosing XY plane. XY plane shows top view of the given part. Now I'm going to choose XY plane. First I'm going to construct this bolt. You can see here bottom we are having a rectangle is there, square is there. The square dimensions are 24 mm. So I am choosing XY plane, then click on sketch tool. Now the isometric planes are converted into orthographic plane. uh, when you are click on sketch tool, now the 2D tools are activated. From the profile toolbar, I am choosing center rectangle. Now apply the dimensions. This is the square bolt, so all dimensions are equal. This length is 24. Next, again give the dimension to this side. This is also 24. Then click OK. Now exit from this workbench. This square width is 8 mm. With the help of pad tool, apply the width. The width is 8 mm. Then click OK. Okay, on that surface, on this surface, this bolt circular one circular cylinder is there. The circular cylinder height is 104 minus 8 mm. Now I am choosing this surface. Then click on sketch tool. On this surface, I am going to construct one circle. The circle diameter is you can see here the circle diameter is 12 mm. Just you can double click on this diameter, then edit that diameter 12, enter. Now exit from this workbench, apply the pad. This pad length is 104 minus 8, 104 minus 8 mm. Then click OK. The remaining length is 96 mm. Then click OK. Okay, after completion of this part, you need to create this profile. For that purpose, I am going to create one additional plane. From the reference elements, I am choosing plane with respect to that is XY plane. uh, Here already we have constructed this square and this circular cylinder in XY plane. So for constructing this profile, you need to change this is appear in the front view, so that's why I'm choosing the YZ plane in the place of reference. I'm choosing YZ plane. Next, from plane type, here I am choosing angle or normal to plane, because this view appear you can see here this profile appear with rotation with Z axis. Rotation with Z axis. The rotation angle is 45 degrees. This square solid is equally inclined to this surface, so that's why I am choosing Entering that angle is 45 degrees. 4 5 enter, then click OK. uh, on this on that plane we need to create this type of profile. So the sketch tool, I am choosing the position sketch. Here I am choosing this plane, then click OK. You can see here in the previous, when you are creating plane, that plane is parallel to yz plane. When you are choosing plane type angle slash normal to plane with respect to z axis, when you are applying, when you are adding angle, that plane is parallel to uh, that surface. Okay, on that plane I am going to construct this type of profile. So now I'm going to create this profile on this surface. For that purpose, I'm going to project these two sides with the help of project 3D element, this edge and this vertical edge. Now I'm going to construct this profile with the help of profile tool. When you are choosing the profile tool, it's showing three different options. In that three options, I am choosing 3-point arc. This edge, first point, second point, and this is the end point. Then click OK. Then click Escape. Now remove the unwanted lines. These two lines are unwanted. Now you can remove that lines with the help of quick trim. This line and this line. Now give the dimension for this, the remaining length, with the help of constraint tool. This is the starting point, this edge. Let us assume this length is 2 mm. Then click OK. Now give the dimension to this radius. The curve radius is 8 mm. Select this radius. Now change the dimension, that is 8 mm. For fully constraint, you need to coincide this radius center point and this edge. This circle, this radius center point and this edge. Here small distance is there, so you can click mouse right button, then choose coincide. Now this arc is, our curve is fully constrained with respect to this edge. Now exit from this workbench. Uh, in the From the sketch based features, now you can apply the groove tool for removing the unwanted 3D portion from the sketch. Now I'm going to choose groove. Here axis selection is with respect to z axis, because already we have drawn this 3D model in the XY plane, that is in the top view, so you can remove with respect to z axis. Here choose reverse side. Reverse side means you can remove the excess metal to the outside. Then click preview, click OK. This is the procedure to construct the plumber block bolt in CATIA VFI software. Now save this file, Ctrl S. Desktop, CATIA. The part name is plumber block bolt. Then click save. The second one is this nut. This is the X7 nut for For constructing this hexagon nut, I'm going to create one more new file, part drawing, then click OK. Now I'm going to choose XY plane, sketch. You can see here in the top view, it's showing like one hexagon. You can select hexagon from profile toolbar. Select or click to define the hexagon center, then drag to horizontal. Now apply the constraint. You can see here uh, the distance between any two parallel lines. The length is 26 mm. Now I'm going to choose this edge and this edge. This length is 26 mm. Now in the middle one circle is there. With the help of circle tool, construct one circle and apply the constraints. The circle diameter is 12 mm. Then click OK. Now exit from this workbench. Apply the pad. The pad width is 12 mm. Enter length 12 mm. Then click OK. Okay. After completion of this sketch, next you have to create this profile. Go to the sketch, position sketch. Here reference plane is position sketch. Select reference plane. Here sketch positioning is YZ plane. Here already we have drawn this top view in the XY plane, so you can create this profile in the another plane, that is front view plane. You can see this view in front view, so that's why I'm going to choose YZ plane. Then click OK. You can see here this is the front view of given model. In the front view, both corners having radius 5 mm. Now project these three edges with the help of project 3D elements. This edge and this vertical edge and this horizontal edge. Now create this corner with the help of corner tool. Select this edge and this edge. Similarly, this horizontal edge and vertical edge. Now apply the constraints. Now edit these constraints. This radius is 5 mm. Then click OK. This radius also 5 mm. Then click OK. Now exit from this workbench. Apply the groove. The selection is axis selection Z axis. Reverse side. Click preview. Then click OK. This is the procedure to construct 12 mm width hexagonal nut of plumber block in Carrier V5 software. Now save this file. Ctrl S. This is the 12 mm hexagonal nut 12 mm. Save. Similarly, we have to construct the third model, that is 8 mm width hexagonal nut. file, new, part. Okay, I am choosing XY plane. Click sketch tool. With the help of hexagon tool, you can select hexagon from profile toolbar. Now apply the constraints. This edge and this edge. Uh, Distance is 26 mm. In the middle, one circle is there. Draw the circle at the middle and apply the dimension, that is circle diameter is 12 mm. Now exit from this workbench, apply the pad. The pad width is 8 mm. In the previous we have taken as 12 mm. Now we are taking as 8 mm. Now go to the positioned sketch, select the YZ plane, then click OK. At the both corners, one curve is there, the curve radius is 3 mm. Now project 3D, with the help of project 3D elements, extract edges from this 3D element, this edge and vertical edge and this horizontal edge. With the help of corner tool, create corner to both edges, this one and this one. Apply the constraints, that is 3 mm. This is also 3 mm. Now exit from this workbench, apply the groove. Selection is axis selection with respect to Z axis. Apply to reverse side, then click preview. Click OK. This is the procedure to construct 8 mm width hexagonal nut of plumber block. Now save this file. Nut 8 mm. Save. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.